Assalamu alaikum dear students. फोर्स एंड लॉज ऑफ मोशन थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट इसका सारा हो गया है हमारा. लास्टली में जो हमने किया था प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ लीनियर मोमेंटम, उस पर एक दो न्यूमेरिकल्स हम करेंगे तो उसी के साथ ये चैप्टर हमारा कंप्लीट होता है. इट इज़ पेज नंबर 35, पेज नंबर 35 ऑफ योर टेक्स्ट बुक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 and 4. Question number 3. These are the numericals based on the principle of conservation of linear momentum. जो हमने डे बिफोर जो लेक्चर हमने दिया था उसी पे हैं ये न्यूमेरिकल्स. क्वेश्चन इज, फ्रॉम a rifle of mass 4 kilogram, a bullet of mass 50 gram is fired with initial velocity of 35 meter per second. Calculate the initial recoil velocity of the rifle. इस क्वेश्चन को करने के एक दो तरीके हैं. एक सिंपलेस्ट तरीका जो मैं आपको बताऊंगा, जो आपको समझना भी आसान हो जाएगा. और इट इज फ्रॉम द राइफल ऑफ मास 4 किलोग्राम. मास ऑफ राइफल, let it be mr, it is equal to 4 kilogram. A bullet of mass 50 gram is fired with initial velocity of 35 meters per second. Calculate the recoil velocity of the rifle. We have to calculate the recoil velocity of the rifle. Recoil velocity of rifle. That is VR. That we have to calculate. That we have to work out. What other things are given? A bullet of mass 50 gram. Mass of bullet. Let it be MB. Mass of bullet. It is 50 gram. Mass of rifle is 40 gram. Convert this 50 gram into kilogram. It is 50 divided by 1000. That works out to be 0.05 kilogram. Yes, 0.05 kilogram. And the mass of the velocity of the bullet. It is VB. That is given. It is 35 meter per second. 35 meter per second. So these are the given values from the question, and we have to calculate the recoil velocity of the rifle. We know that according to principle of conservation of linear momentum, according to principle of conservation of momentum, we know that initial momentum of the system is equal to the final momentum. Here we can say that momentum of the rifle MR is equal to momentum of the bullet MBVB. इस क्वेश्चन को हम एक दूसरे तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं, वो ज़्यादा लेंथी हो जाएगा. ये तरीका आसान है समझने के लिए. MRVR is equal to MBVB. That is, we have to calculate this VR. It is equal to MBVB divided by mass of rifle. Mass of bullet, it is 0.05 kilogram. Velocity of bullet, it is 35 meter per second, divided by mass of rifle, it is 4 kilogram. Do the calculations, the answer will be 0.4 meter per second. 0.4 meter per second. It will be the recoil velocity of the rifle. So this was the very first question. Of today's topic. Numericals based on the principle of conservation of linear momentum. It was page number 35, question number 3. Question number 4. Listen, dear students. Question number 4. Two objects of mass 100 gram and 200 gram are moving along the same line and direction with velocities 2 meter per second and 1 meter per second. They collide after the collision. The first object moves at the velocity of 1.67 meter per second. Determine the velocity of the second object. So, two objects of mass m1 of mass 100 gram and 200 gram. It is question number 4. m1 mass of one object कितना है? It is 100 gram. It is 100 by 1000, that is 0.1 kilogram. 0.1 kilogram. It is moving with a velocity of 2 meter per second. u1 कितना है? 2 meter per second. And they collide with each other. The first object moves with इसी object की final velocity v1 भी दी गई है. कितनी है? It is moving with a velocity of 1 after the impact. collision के बाद ये वाला object, पहला वाला object जाता है 1.67 मीटर पर सेकंड के हिसाब से after the collision. इसी तरह क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है m2 200 grams, that is 200 divided by 1000, that is equal to 0.2 kilogram. इसकी initial velocity दी गई है moving with a velocity of 1 meter per second. 1 meter per second. इसी की फाइनल वेलोसिटी हमने निकालनी है. तो ये थे गिवन वैल्यूज. तो v2 हमने निकालना है. अगर आपको याद होगा, अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ लीनियर मोमेंटम, अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम, there we know that m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to just total momentum after the collision. It is equal to total momentum before the collision. m1 u1 plus m2 u2. m2 u2. m1 it is 0.1 multiplied by v1, it is 1.67 plus m2 it is 0.2, v2 that we have to work out, it is equal to m1 again 0.1 multiplied by u1 that is 2 plus m2 that is 0.2 multiplied by u2, so it is u2 here, u2 1 meter per second. So all the values are given. You have to calculate over here only the value of v2. Do the mathematical calculations. The answer will come out to be 1.17 meter per second. This is the final velocity of the second object. This is the final velocity of the second object. By applying this principle of conservation of linear momentum, we can calculate out the final velocity of the second object after the impact of these two balls, these two objects. After the impact, the velocity of the second object will be 1.17 meter per second square. This was all about your second chapter, motion and the laws of the force and the laws of the motion. By tomorrow we will be dealing with your third chapter, that will be the work, energy and power. Thank you.